Hey everyone, it's Emily with BuyClosetRocks.com, where we sell pre-authenticated designer fashion. I've gotten a ton of questions about the differences and similarities between two very popular totes, the Louis Vuitton Neverfull and the Goyard St. Louis. I have both bags with me here, so this is what they look like. And this is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM size. This is the Goyard St. Louis GM size. Unfortunately, I do not have the Goyard PM, so I can compare it with the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM, as they are pretty much the same size and very comparable. But I just wanted to go over the features, how the bag wears, and which one will work for you based on what you use them for. So let's start with the Louis Vuitton Monogram MM Neverfull. It comes in a couple different prints, but this is the monogram one, and the monogram has the vachetta trim and handle. Some really great features of the bag is that it is coated canvas, so if something does spill on it, you can wipe it off very easily. The sides can be pulled in to make it a smaller bag. It comes with a matching pouch. Obviously, this is not matching because this bag does not have the pouch with it at the moment, but this is from the denim collection, so it's the exact same size. The pouch is perfect for organizing small things or anything that could mark or spill in your bag. Here's what the interior looks like. It is a canvas interior. It has one zippered pocket. It also has a clasp that you can close the top of the bag so it doesn't fall open. And it has a D-ring, so you can hang keys or whatever inside. The pouch can be used as a wristlet, and it also comes with a pocket inside. This bag is super popular. Tons of people have it. It's a great work bag. It can fit your laptop. It can fit an extra pair of shoes. It can fit your lunch. Whatever it can fit it. It really does live up to its name, Neverfull, especially if you get the GM size. It's like so big. But this is like the medium size. There's a PM, the MM, and then the GM is the largest. It is pretty light since it is mostly canvas, so it makes it really practical for everyday use. It is very sturdy. These handles can handle a lot, and so you can actually carry a lot of heavy things and not have to worry about damaging the bag. All right, let's go over the pros of the Goyard St. Louis tote. Again, it is a coated canvas bag, so it is super easy to clean off if you do spill something on it. It is a treated black leather trim and handles as well. The interior has no pockets, but it does come with a detachable pouch, just like the Louis Vuitton bag. However, it is smaller and it is a snap closure, and it cannot fit as much as the Louis Vuitton. This bag is actually a lot lighter than the Louis Vuitton bag. It was originally meant to be a beach bag, so I believe that's why there's not many pockets and why it's so light and why it's made in a coated canvas material. The PM size costs $1,200. If you want a special color such as this one, this is a pink color, it is $1,560. This bag is $1,500 on the Louis Vuitton website at the moment. All right, let's talk about the cons in the wear that happens to the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. The main wear I see on these bags, if there is vachetta leather, is wear to the leather itself. So obviously there's going to be softening of the handles, which is actually kind of nice because it makes it more comfortable to wear. This bag is 10 years old, so it still looks excellent. So you know that it will be a bag that can last you years. It can be really that kind of workhorse bag that you need because it can carry so much. The handles are really sturdy, and you don't have to worry about it breaking down even if you use it every day. But if we look at the handles, the vachetta leather obviously stains fairly easily. It darkens. It can also start cracking on the trim or get discolored. You'll also notice that the hardware will start to tarnish, which is fairly normal. You can always get the trim and handles replaced at Louis Vuitton for a couple $100s. So it is something that you can really have and pass down for a long time. If you do get the Damier Ebene, that one has a treated brown leather, And the main problem with that one, although it is treated and things like that so it doesn't stain, it does tend to wrinkle on the trim as well as crack a little bit more easily than this vachetta leather. Alright, the cons of the St. Louis tote. First, I kind of wish it had some pockets in the interior, but that's fine. I can live with that. But I've heard that people, if you do carry really heavy things in this bag, the handles cannot take it as well as the Louis Vuitton bag because the handle bases are smaller, hence they can't handle as much as the Louis Vuitton one. I do like that it is a treated leather, so it does not fade or crack that easily. And sometimes there can be glazing issues. This one just has a lot of dents in it. That just depends on how you use it and how well you take care of it. The canvas also is a little bit thinner than the Louis Vuitton bag, so I have found that it wrinkles easier, but then it's also easier to pack. It is, a really practical bag. It's supposed to be a beach bag, so it is supposed to be light and easy to clean and take care of, which it is. But if you're trying to look for something that will carry really heavy items, I would be a little bit careful of purchasing this bag. All right, so I'm 5'4", and this is what the Louis Vuitton Neverfull looks like on me. I do have a good amount of space to put my arm down and things like that. That is one thing I've heard about, a big difference between the Louis Vuitton Neverfull and the Goyard is that there is just not enough space. The handles are a lot longer on the Louis Vuitton. The Goyard comes up further. So if you have an issue with that, just keep that in mind that the handle drop might be a little too short for you. So I love both of these bags. I think they're both super practical as well as beautiful. My personal favorite is Goyard just because it is a little bit more understated. Not as many people have it. The Louis Vuitton Neverfull is so popular. Everyone has it. So I just kind of gravitate towards something that's not as well known and popular, but still has a lot of elegance and style to it. But I want to know what you think, which one you're thinking about purchasing or which bag you prefer. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like bag comparisons, authentications, and things like that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.